Hi, I am Montero and I am a proud celebrity distributor of JC Premieres. Welcome to the good life! Why did I join JC Premiere? First, because it is legit. Marami din akong celebrity and non-celebrity friends na sumali na sa JC Premiere. Second, this is another business opportunity for me. Tulad ngayon, I am 27 years old. Medyo malapit na ako dun sa gusto nang mag-settle. So, I am also looking for stability. So yun, from being an actress and an athlete, at least meron pang ibang ways nga para sa akin na makatulong sa family ko. My favorite product of JC Premiere is the K-pads. First, because I really love its cooling effect, especially during our red days sa ating mga girls. Medyo irritable talaga tayo. So, dagdag siya para tanggal stress. And it has also ions that can boost our energy. Tapos, anti-dysmenorrhea din siya. So, especially to those who are like me na athletes, na medyo movie, sporty, kahit hindi athlete, super must-have talaga tong K-pads na to. You feel free to move around and you feel comfortable. Hi, I am Montero and I use K-pads, your healthy 8-layered napkin, a quality product of JC Premiere. Welcome to the good life.